Innovation reconstructs every corner of life. Science and technology make expected wishes come true. Innovation and science are not only the driving force to realize civilization, but also our dreams and missions. Shanghai ELE, established in 1996, has been focusing on developing fluid mixing and wet grinding machine in the chemical industry, especially in fluid dispersion, emulsification, grinding machines. ELE has modern processing technology and excellent team. From parts production to assembly, from machine detection to delivery. Complete production process to ensure the high quality of equipment and timely transportation. ELE supplies wet grinding equipment, mixing equipment and emulsifying equipment, and provides customized solutions to meet different requirements of customers in various industries. Innovation is to develop new solutions so that customers can have a more perfect experience. ELE always insists on being an advanced technology developer and strives to research new products. Its mature technical team uses own professional knowledge and rich experience in the physical property industry to provide the most suitable technical advice and configuration for different customer based on various materials, uses, viscosity, consistency, and applicability. Adhering to the pursuit of high quality, ELE has maintained a steady pace of development in the past 20 years, constantly studying, improving, and taking the road of independent innovation. With continuous innovation and improvement in technology, with a variety of professional equipment, as well as nano laboratories and testing room, ELE breeds high-quality products in the best workshops. The laboratory has a full range of laboratory bead mill, laboratory basket mill, laboratory dispensing and emulsifying machine, can meet the customer's different requirements for tests. The most important part of innovation is to win customers' trust. After-sales service is an essential standard to measure whether a company has the market competitiveness. ELE puts the after-sales service, technology improvement, and product quality control as the equally important position, from procurement to commissioning, providing customers with a complete service system, consistently provide considerate service for each user, creates a number of high-quality export markets, products distributed in Asia, Europe, North America, and other more than 30 regions and more than 100 countries. Service areas covering ink, paint, chemical, pigment, food, cosmetics, medicine, pesticide, lithium, rare earth, and other industries. ELE inherits the corporate philosophy of integrity creates quality, quality wins the market, and strives to achieve the goal of zero defect in quality, to be the creator of advanced technology based on the establishment of a collection of development, production, sales, and service, all in one global machining center. ELE, pioneering and enterprising with both hands and creating the future with ability.